Hey, how is everybody? Lou from RV Habit. I'm here with Tony from Wingamm. They are importing a brand new RV from Italy, and I'm going to let Tony show you this. This thing is super unique. It's called Oasis, is the name?
That's right. This model is called the Oasis 540.
And we're going to show you around. I'm going to let Tony do most of the talking and show us this. This is really, really unique. You got to check this out. Okay. So what's this on now? This is on a Fiat?
This is a Fiat. This is the European model. The US model will be built on a Ram ProMaster. That will be the only difference between the European model and the US model, will just be the chassis.
Perfect.
Other than that, it will be identical.
Perfect. Okay.
Should we start over here?
Sure.
Awesome. Okay. So one of the things that I think is so special about the Wingamm Oasi 540 is its size. So this motorhome is only 17 feet 9 inches long. So just to give you guys sort of a comparison, a Honda Odyssey, which is the best-selling minivan in the country, is 10 inches shorter than this. So you can park this in any parking space in America, you can navigate through traffic easily, and most importantly, it's going to fit easily and look beautiful in your driveway.
And if you do see this in person, you really can capture how easy this would be to park. It is short. I mean, it looks short from outside, but there is a lot packed into this. Go ahead.
Awesome. One of my favorite features here is this storage locker. Click this button. So let's say you're at the beach or you're camping, you got your dirty shoes, you got your towels. You don't have to go inside and get the inside of your motorhome dirty. You toss it in here, and then you can actually access it from inside the motorhome. Or, you know, you're barbecuing, put your cold drinks and some food in there. Again, you don't have to go inside and track dirt into the motorhome. So this is another very special feature. Here is our sewage system. So it's like a carry-on suitcase. The handle retracts. You pull it out, wheel it into any toilet in America, whether it be a gas station or I say, hey, just pull into a Ritz-Carlton and empty it there, right? So
as we call them in America, that's a typical cassette toilet is what most people would know as.
Okay, so one of the other very special features about the Wingamm Oasi 540 is where other motorhomes have a bumper, we have a rear storage locker.
That's
so
big
there's
too.
A lot of extra storage. Put your chairs, a table, or something I think is very cool is there is room here for 2 extra sewage cassettes. So let's say you're going out for a week, you don't want to deal with sewage, you just swap out the full cassette, put the full cassette in here, take the empty cassette out of here, and put it in there. So just deal with it when you get home.
Yep.
So now we'll come to the front entrance. One of the other things that I love about the Wingamm Oasi 540 is, I'm going to close this door for 1 second and show you guys. So really all RVs, all Class B RVs in the US have, you know, the clunky sliding door. You pull it and you slide it open.
Yeah,
here,
it's not a van.
That's absolutely right. There's this elegant, formal front entrance. And you go on in. You guys want to go first?
Now, let me ask you a question. This looks like one piece here. This is a molded unit?
That's right. So Wingamm's special sauce is this custom fiberglass monocoque shell. So what that means is this is the same way that boats are made. This is one piece. And they attach this shell onto a chassis. As opposed to, in the Class B space, you always have what I call sort of Amazon delivery vans that are converted into motorhomes.
Right.
And what this allows for is no water intrusion because it's one piece.
Yep.
Also, it keeps the heat in when it's cold outside. It keeps the cold air in when it's hot outside because there's no seams and there's better insulation.
Very nice. Very nice. Okay, yeah, let's hop in.
After you guys.
Now, when you first walk in here, this is really...
US. In Europe, we've been around.
This really takes you.
Just launching in the US.
Okay.
All right, so let's start.
Wherever you want.
Okay. So the first thing I would want to point out is how voluminous the interior
It is. Yeah, the minute you walk in, even though this is, like I said, when you're looking at it from the outside, it looks like a little van. When you walk in, there is a lot of space in here. A lot of space for a van.
And the reason is, again, this comes back to the custom fiberglass shell. So if you look in the corner here, there's an extra 6 inches from the chassis. And so that adds about a foot more of width
Right.
and extra height, and that's what gives it the voluminous.
And it is very high. I mean, I'm 5'10", and I've got 2 inches, and I'm in the low end of the van.
Yep.
You know, and you're at the high end.
That's
so
right.
yeah.
That's right. Mm-hmm. And so, you know, you talk about glamping. This is the ultimate glamping.
Yeah.
You're giving up nothing when it comes to the restroom. So if you come into the restroom, you see first of all how big it is, and you have a beautiful vanity. You have a medicine cabinet with a mirror, a standing shower, and you can stand in there easily. You don't have to duck.
Yeah, I see that. Very nice.
Then here, I'll show you. If you step over here.
Sure.
So there are 2 beds in the Wingamm Oasi 540. The first is this retractable bed. It is up when you're not using it. You want to pull it down like that. Simply take the step ladder, attach it. Voila.
Now that looks about what, a full size?
It's about halfway between a queen and a
The full, okay.
So bigger than a
So a
full,
little
smaller
bit.
than a queen. And then you've got 2 skylights that both open, and both have screens when you want to, you know, get fresh air,
Right.
and have your skylights open, or blackouts.
Right. Yeah, the skylights are amazing. It's
Isn't that
beautiful.
amazing? Isn't that
I mean, it looks super big with these skylights. Really, really spacious.
And then when you're done
Unbelievable.
with your bed, simply put the ladder up here. That's it.
How easy is that?
Isn't that easy?
That's great. Now, does this become a bed here? This table?
So first, let me actually point out to you. So this is the dining area of the Wingamm Oasi 540. It seats 6. So you have 4 here, and then these chairs.
Swivel.
Swivel around.
Okay.
And now you can have a dinner party with
Yeah.
6. What's also cool is
Somebody else, see, this is not really fun. Somebody else is going to shoot on
the table goes like this. So if you want to work on your laptop,
Very nice.
TV,
Mm-hmm.
table back.
And this is what it looks like. This is the correct. Jen, can you get this camera? Hard to be live at the same time. And this is
That's okay. You can leave it
All
there.
right, I'll leave it there. Okay, so now I'm going to show you
all right. Question.
the second bed. Should I get the extra cushion? Another cushion?
That's okay. If, you know.
I'll just show you sort of
Yeah.
a brief demo.
Yeah.
Okay, so here is how the second bed works. Very simple. This table goes all the way down. And then there is a second cushion that goes
There's
on
one
top
top.
here. And you can
And you got a bed.
easily do, I think, 1 adult or 2 children very comfortably.
Absolutely. Absolutely.
Keep in mind,
It's amazing for a van. It's
this
just
is all
amazing.
in a 17-foot, 9-inch
Yeah.
long Class B motorhome.
Yeah. Yeah.
And then one thing too that's amazing is look at the size of the kitchen.
So you got a lot of counter space
right.
for a
That's right.
small rig. That's crazy.
And you have countertop space
Yeah.
and all soft closing.
Now, okay, so it has a gray tank? Where
Of course, yep.
Okay, so it has a separate gray tank
Yep.
that you can empty.
Black, gray, and
Okay.
fresh water.
Okay. And is this induction or this just gets hot?
There's going to be 2 choices. You can either get electric or gas.
Oh, you can?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
There's radiant heat in the floor,
Okay. Oh, really?
air conditioning and heat, and it will come with a 210-watt solar panel.
Okay. Okay. And a small refrigerator down here. And this runs on what, the refrigerator? Is that electric?
It runs on the Trumi
Oh,
system, so it pulls both.
Right, right. Okay. And is this your control center up here?
Check this out. Ready?
Yeah.
Like that. Lock it.
Is this your control
That's the
center up
control
here?
panel. Yep.
Okay. Awesome. And I see, does it have an awning? Has it had an awning out there? It does have an awning. Okay, so it even has an awning on it. Very nice.
Thank you.
Very nice. And again, this is coming in the summer of 2022?
Yep. Deliveries begin in the summer of
Summer
2022.
22, and you're going to have a dealer network throughout the United States.
So we're doing a little bit of a unique model. The short answer is yes, in the sense that these will be manufactured in Italy,
Right.
and then they are going to be delivered directly to the consumer. But there will
okay.
be a dealer in the middle of that.
Dealer in the middle of that in case you need warranty work or anything like that. And do you have a MSRP that's in mind for these yet?
The MSRP is going to be $145,000.
And that's pretty much fully
There's only a
loaded.
few things that does not come with, like a tow hitch, bike rack,
Right.
upgraded lithium-ion batteries, and a TV. Other than that, fully loaded. Leather, radiant heat in the floor, air conditioning, etc.
Super, super. Okay, Tony, thank you very much.
Lou, my pleasure.
Thank you. Lou from RV Habit. If you're in the market for a Class B, this is unique. This is really one to check out. What they've packed into this little RV is amazing. Thanks for watching. I'll see you soon.
Thank you.
Thanks, buddy.
Thanks.
Okay, let's start right in front.
Yeah, let's do it. Oh, hold on. Let me check my hair. I just took my hat off.
You look great.